iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. That's a big weekend. Carling knockout tournament this coming weekend. Kaizer Chiefs, of course, Mamelodi Sundowns. Other games as well. Cape Town City traveling to Richards Bay this weekend, tomorrow. There's also TS Galaxy against Magesi on Sunday. There's also a small matter of Stellenbosch. They're traveling to Marumo Gallants this time around. They played last night. Stellenbosch won 1-0. So that's the game that's playing this weekend in the Carling knockout. However, of course, the big one is Mamelodi Sundowns at FNB Stadium. It is sold out FNB Stadium against Kaizer Chiefs. Junior Khanye, your thoughts on the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just, sir. Yes, sir.
Lindo Bobo. So, also the Shane.
Shane, Machakalaga.
Yeah,
Machakalaga. Big family.
Keep on supporting iDiskiTV fighting. No one try to fix South African football. There's a Stellenbosch points winning.
Oh, Shaya u-10 one izolo.
Hayi problem kuyale.
Yini inkinga ka-dance u-dance bathi beka khona ehotela mara bathi uyagula in so it's possible ukuthi manje sebeyamxosha.
It's unfortunate abo dance bakwenye setup man bafana nabo Zipho Dlangalala bafana nabo Farouk situation yabo abukwanele ko these coaches ba patient as ba shu Farouk ku podcast ushilo ukuthi football is not like an event. You need to especially development, and if you want your project to sustain much longer, it doesn't start today, it a week after.
Sure.
So you need a much longer. It's cut about development, and for me, I set up even PSL can coach, but it goes about difficult, especially my team our coach our resources amaning. If you had experienced players, abakwazi ukuthi okay, coaching must sense 1 2 3 4 but thina usifuna ukora. They want to win things bona. Botenza abantu bema under 20 national team set up lebafana ngabe libarobhile botenza. Ngoba ama chairman wonke nkulewo there will be
they want results every weekend.
Protocols uthanda ungathandi. And inzima nkuleke status the Betway Premiership it's 60 million. It's difficult.
Very expensive.
Yeah. Phindu uyayithi balance. That's why ngithi I love dance kakhulu but kumele ngibe nevar la fikela khona kunama resources there's no high profile players and iba difficult funika ama results and you believe ukuthi team angeke adlale nje noma kanjani so kuba difficult for him. Yeah,
all right, sold out match Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. What do you think about that ukuthi kuzobe kugcwele? And also match was 6, so akumelanga be ne excuse yabantu because last time it was delayed. Last week there was a delayed game. There keeps on being these delays manje, especially ngalama game got 3 p.m. as well. There's no excuse manje. It's sold out. It's at 6 p.m. People must come there early.
Yeah, people akumelanga about delay game. We understand ukuthi kunama challenges abasebenzayo abakhulume nasebhani.
Saturday 6 p.m.
Yes. Abanye ngithi bangena maybe kube yilento ukuthi uphuma uyo Russia, but now please igame akumelanga idelay nkuleko. People not we all plan we as analysts here analysis and I'm sure nabo SuperSport kuna certain time ebayibekela game everywhere anyway SABC
radio stations everyone.
Yes,
even nalaba bafike early nabo they are going somewhere after the game.
Exactly. So stela wonke umuntu afike early game in Saturday nje busho 6 p.m. akune excuse. Can't say maybe 3 o'clock it was a bit earlier kuyashisa in so everybody makafike early by 4:30 umuntu akazithola game ngithi uyazi sold out mfethu and everyone want to watch this game and inkuleko is exciting. Obviously some supporter fans of Kaizer Chiefs they believe they can beat the Mamelodi Sundowns. The way they started mfethu complement the special official games angikhulumi ngabo ngalama cup kofi or whatever labo Toyota ngikhuluma nge-official they started very well. We need to be honest. Mele singafihli Kaizer Chiefs have improved. I need to be honest. Certain areas, especially these young kids. I'm a player
Mfundo Vilakazi.
Mfundo last game very well. Even like are
they both Mfundos?
Yes.
Oh yeah, so both of them. Mfundo Shabala and Mfundo Vilakazi.
No.
Oh, Mdu omunye.
Mdu Shabala.
Mdu Shabala. Okay.
Yeah, Mfana lo
Mfundo Vilakazi.
Okay. Mfundo is improved the boy.
Sure.
Udlala game enhle. Last time he came in and score.
Akaphumanga injury Vilakazi.
Yes, ngibonile ngathi kunama doubts. Mfana. It's unfortunate situation. The boy ngibona adlala game enhle during the week. Mdu improves as well. Improve mfana. Obviously ngifuna more from Mdu. It's been a while now.
Bengibuza uLindo ukuthi iposition yakhe yipi. What is his best position?
That's a problem.
Is he a wide forward?
Angazi
Is he an
uLindo
attacking
That's
midfielder?
why uLindo angazi uku-understandile. Umuntu naye must showcase ku-position e-1. And then ngaba i-coach-ke bezothi mayibheka, intelligent coach ezothi cash up. Ngamsebenzisa ka-left, ngamsebenzisa ka-right. But for me, right nguleke must show us i-position up best kuyo. Ngoba bani ukumdlalisa wide left. I saw him. Sometimes udlala nga-2, badlala nga-2 holding midfielders, including him.
Or number 10 in front of them.
Or both number 10 or both 8. Sometimes you are right, Melangas confuse them too. One position you need to show up, especially now. But udlale kahle mfana, especially now Sereno since is coming. Mfana nyambona show up, udlala kahle. But ngifuna more from two man. Nguleko must be a contender of mele kube national team collab. If we really afika ngesizini yokuqala bambiza, umuntu must do that as well. Season is 3 years 4 5. 4 if not mistaken umduada. So yes, there is improvement from Mfana. Also I need to be honest, I think since corner this guy Miguel, yes, a bit of improvement. Though mina njengoba ngisho certain position team improve but not yonke. It's very difficult Nkulewo, a very difficult situation labor face Kaizer Chiefs. Also Sundowns not being consistent, yabo. But laba bazidla ngoba bafuna. I think a coach must stop egos. A coach, if Mkwena is a national team player, asset enkulu, national team is doing well when it's the regular player. We are also helping us several times. Why is sitting on the bench with Sundowns? Who can put him on the bench? You can't put the national regular player with Sundowns on the bench. And then the player who national team regular player and then play with Sundowns. Example Obas is not even regular national team. Does it make sense? Mangabe mhlambe bekune hiccup. I think by now ngabe besorted out. Mangoba must accept and mina excuse him and compliment with that we said the back 4 the national team, also the goalkeeper 5 back 5 the national team they bedlala kwafcon. We I think the coach did very well ngaloko ngoba ubonile la match open change ye costa le ma results kuthi angabe consistent to him. Team yabo they are so balanced and I would love to see Uprindiba as the game. They've got so much quality. Irrespective of what I know, Matthews is injured, Mshishi is injured.
Yeah, Mapena is injured as well.
But they've got so much quality, yeah. And yeah, in fact, game is easy.
Yeah, in the last game,
not easy.
Bebe Ilala in Cape Town City, Renas Babamdala left hand side, Ushalulile was playing central, Ribeiro wide, but also playing as a number 10 or a sort of as well. What would you do with that front three this time around?
Yeah, I mean, bengizoyenza be balance. Mind to play this boy uLitlako on the right okanye ngidlalisa Ribeiro ngapha on the right cutting in. Yes, the way Sereno wadlala ngakhona Kaizer Chiefs, when you've got the ball, the guy mele occupy le base nyana zama pockets. Ribeiro, that's what they do. Angithi badlala nga-3 in the middle, so one vela draftele la suka khona. And also ngilise this guy uLitlako on the left. Sadulile, yes, ngimbonile umjito korile and he's got a tendency to score against Kaizer Chiefs. I'll start with him. Angisifeni yakhe, but I'll start with him. Because him and Renas, you can't play both of them. You can't.
Yeah, they played both
you can't,
against Cape Town City.
Balance. You need speed, dribbling on. Because now, but sacrifice ayena lumchito Renas to go wide. You need to think lapa and decision making wrong, poor. Men's a mistake. I'm going to make him in melum sape now waste. So the coach, I think, made the balance, but they are full of choice. There's so much quality. Even in the middle, there's some Kulis, there's some Koena. Those are national team. They can play national team regular players. They've got Alende. I know. It's very difficult.
Yeah. Coming to this game, you've been making a point that Unabi, he's starting to feel like a Middendorp. I did even say that in terms of his style of play, the crosses, the long balls. Are you concerned about that?
Yeah, Ngulego, we don't have to lie. I can see he's a very dedicated coach. He's very dedicated at his work. We as pusher, player discipline who are coachable. Always on the bench, sit standing. 1 minute, sakahlal pants. We are born uthathe Kaizer Chiefs and our expectations. He's under pressure. We need to be honest. The way he's playing, meaning we don't lie Nkululeko. We believe in crosses. We believe in long ball diagonally, especially surprise opposition. Ibhola lisuka ngalilwela ngapha. And now Frosa udlala ngama wing back, especially on the right hand side. Thanda ukuvaluda le side la right. Team yakhe doesn't they break central. No Nkululeko, they don't break central, and the problem yakhe lonke igolo kuze lingene team must come with a cross unless Serino him uthathe responsibility njengale move le Marumo Galansi. He did very well, super sport as well, but you can't Serino always expect to tip mali kuye. Something must happen, only him. Dlala ngama crosses.
Yeah, would you start with Dupree, knowing that Sundowns at the high line, ungamqala uDupree
Yeah.
kusasa?
Yeah. Central. Mina chiva vera kusifena yakhe anyway.
Oh, he scored against Sundowns in the first game.
Yeah, but now this guy, no ngakora Nkululeko. Tipris angisifeni yakhe, but better man. Because the high line, angisho is a game plan.
Yeah.
When you analyze my opponent now, udlala high line Sundowns, the speed is over a problem. Angit badlali high line, obvious Ronwen is always
He's like a sweeper in the high line. But in a risk wow.
Yes, it's in a disadvantage. You mean Sundowns understand why the high line. I don't believe in that. And was part of the Champions League. Mama team, they are so dangerous in transition, and they've got good passers on the ball. Very very dangerous. But always in defender and physical lane. So guno between goalkeeper and defensive miscommunication is a code. And once you consider first, go by problem. So yeah, it's a very difficult game. Yeah,
definitely before you go there, you would start with Dupree.
Yeah, me not Dupree on la centrally on the left for me. Obvious Serino Patim 2 will come here. Yeah, but mhlambe lo mfana uSamkelo Zwane come here mara naye mashwa. You must play with two wingers. That's how Pirates play. Chiefs and Pirates, that's how they play. But you must understand makadlali winger, a lot is expected from him.
Yeah, because he has to be in front of
Balance.
He has to be in front of a Frosler. Make sure that you don't lose your man. Umodiba kumele ambone njalo in front of his face.
Right, Nkululeko. Froster must focus. Priority yakhe kuqala is a defender. Sit there, because Sundowns will use that space to repair his goal.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very dangerous Sundowns once in Zomba ngofrosa ngoba bazolcrossa lela bola. I could see tactically Chiefs poor the way they defend in the middle. Once wing back yambile poor. For phela le goal number igol lokuqala lali team le
Makesa.
wambile Froster. Ulate lapha yana Mart. Yusuf Mart was late and against Sanganga it was a goal because late. As a udlala central awuqali nebhola, just be aware nje ukuthi team ime kanjani. Udlala la you like a sweeper in the middle. So tactically poor. Once ahamba uFroster wayenza kanjalo ngoba uzoyenza anyway udlala kanjalo Nkululeko ungiphendulile uFroster uyavaya. The coach I think overload this side, also expecting right hands umuntu lodlala la wing angene phakathi ayojoin eboxing. It's a problem.
All right, before you go to a prediction, WSP.co.za, we're sponsored by World Sports Betting. Go to WSP.co.za this weekend. You can have fun gaming on a lot of things, whether it's cricket, whether it's football, whether it's tennis, whatever event is happening. Formula One is in Brazil this weekend. You can bet on that as well. Will Max Verstappen be able to beat Lando Norris finally to the championship, or will Lando Norris get some points this weekend as he tries to close the gap on Max Verstappen? So maybe you can go there. Maybe you can go to the English Premier League. Maybe you can go to the Spanish La Liga, Serie A, or the other matches in the Carling Knockout Tournament that's playing in South Africa. Just a reminder as well, in the Carling Knockout Tournament tomorrow, it's Richards Bay against Cape Town City, and of course, Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. And then on Sunday, it's TS Galaxy Magesi and Marumo Gallants and Stellenbosch as well. Those are the quarterfinals, and the draw will be conducted immediately on Sunday at 5 p.m. after the games end, unless one of them goes to extra time. But there will be a draw on Sunday after the matches on Sunday for the semi-final. Now, in the semi-final, there will either be a Kaizer Chiefs or a Mamelodi Sundowns. Let's find out from Junior. Who do you think is going to win this game?
Not the easy prediction, but obviously, I will die with direct straight. Yes, Kaizer Chiefs will score 1 goal, but Sundowns will score 2 goals. I need to be honest there. The power is Sundowns powerhouse. If you're on the bench, depth. This is depth to win the game. About depth on the bench.
Extra time or no extra time?
Extra time.
Within full time, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Kaizer
It's not
Chiefs
going to
1.
be easy game. I can be honest to you. Kaizer Chiefs, they've got this tendency. I'm high profile game. Show up, players, and energy, but the lack of quality iba let it down even on the bench ngikhuluma yabona isquad
Impact
sabo
players,
yes
players that can change the game.
yes squad sabo sikho enough ukuthi they can come on the bench ngoba bazophelelwa laba abacalayo so very difficult mawuzodlala ngabo Mart against yabo Mkwena because Mkwena I believe will start the game tomorrow. There's no way uMancoba angariska ngalendlela plus ulimele uRivaldo Kutse so I don't think Obas can come there. You need badlala ngokulinka ngithi at the back end beautiful how they play weekend during the week but Mkwena I believe is going to play tomorrow.
Score prediction again?
Sundowns gonna win the game 2-1. Yes, and Sundowns is a semi-final.
Oh, there you go. Semi-final for Mamelodi Sundowns, according to Junior Khanye. What do you think? You can let us know in the comment section, or you can go to wsp.co.za to put your money where your mouth is. It is iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. We'll see you at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Thank you for watching us.